Yeah, sure. Okay, so we're playing more. We are playing more car crash simulator.
Yeah.
So, want to do the classic one?
No, I want to do the freeway one.
Yeah, that's the
Classic.
Yeah, that's classic.
I see you.
So, anyways, we're going to click play.
I'm gonna start with
yes, this will be fun. This is the only game we are playing this time, because last time it was very long when we played like Rainbow Friends, rblox, Car Crash Simulator, Night Survivor. You should definitely check that video out.
Yeah, it's very good. And I'm going zoom zoom.
Okay, oh, there's a present.
I'm going for the middle pathway. There's a loop-de-loop in the middle pathway.
I know, there's like two other pathways.
Well, there's an end and we crash at it.
Okay.
Oh, look, I can still drive. For some reason, when you have 2 wheels, you can still drive. Look, I'm still driving.
Oh, yeah.
With 2 wheels.
I'm gonna customize.
And I fell off the map.
I want to customize. Yeah, I'm gonna customize the race car.
I want to customize. I don't want to customize.
Okay, you guys are gonna go over there. We'll make it
I'm
like
customizing this red car.
We're gonna make it a purple race car.
I'm gonna make this.
Yeah.
One this yellow.
Gonna make fire. Okay, you guys are just gonna be in the middle.
Yeah, does
Save
that look like a? Does that look like a reddish orange?
Yeah. Looks like an orangish.
Does this look like a reddish orange?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to exit. Okay, so now we're going to use my new race car. Nicholas, look at my new race car. It's purple now.
Yo.
And it has fire.
Yo. What? Yo.
It's a fire trail.
Look at the trails of what cars are there.
No, I hit the wall.
So you can make it invisible?
Yeah, I know. You just need lights to get full invincibility. We're going to try to get to that. To the flippers. No! I just hit someone! And they exploded! Yeah, don't get hit by the cars! You'll explode if you do. Like, I hit someone and they exploded. My car!
I chose an ice.
Guys, look what they did to my car. And squad. And Nicholas, look what they did to my car.
And squad did that?
No. A certain someone did it.
Trail. I don't know what do I click.
Oh, you have to
saved it.
Now you can leave. Okay.
Adam, where's my car?
Oh, you have to turn the. Oh, it's not like a special one. You just have to find the car that you customized. Pretty much.
So I'll need to find the invincibility car?
Well, no, it looks the same as how it looked. You just have to find the right one.
Oh, okay. So it's at the very top?
Yeah, wherever it was when you customized it.
What was it? Was it that?
I don't know which one you customized.
What was that? No, I need to collect all the red ones. Okay, this. No. What's that one? Is it? No. Go to this one? I saved it. Okay, Nurse. Can you go charger?
Huh?
My phone needs to charge.
Okay.
Down to the other living room.
Oh, why? Stop moving it. Okay. Get on it. Invisible. Okay, Nicholas, here you go.
I'm going to put them on the box.
Hello, we're back. Okay, so I'm getting my invisible Goobert. I think I just killed someone. Let me just get here. Oh. Want to see my customized race car? Race car. It's purple. I'm not going to show you it, but yeah. Here it is. No, Roblox noob. Okay, I'm gonna leave the game. Nicholas, I killed a noob on accident.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Claire, why did you leave?
Oh, no, I'm just customizing my character. Which character should I do? Okay.
Somebody made me hop onto their car. Hey, you're customizing yourself.
Yeah, I'm customizing my character. I just need to make myself a bacon.
Why?
Because I want
So
to.
you and the bacon are friends?
Yeah, so I can have bacon buddies. Now I just need to look at my faces. Bacon. Okay, we saved the bacon here. Now I will join back in with Nicholas. Oh yeah, Nicholas, I made an invisible car. So I'm going to the classic map, which is where we were. So yes, that's a cool car. So it has a blue plane instead of the yellow plane or the super plane. Cindy the weatherman come boom 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 dun 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 dun. There was the ceiling name my ship was loyalty.
Right.
Cindy the weatherman come dun 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 dun. Look at this blue. What? No, the veteran. I killed a veteran. Just kidding.
I want it to be ice.
Bruh. Ah! No. Nicholas. Someday the weatherman could. Nicholas, a monster truck.
I'm there. Look at my screen.
Nicholas, there's a monster. Yeah, Nicholas, there's a monster truck in this game.
Wait, what?
Yeah, but you can't be on them unless you get the group.
I know. Oh no, I found the monster truck. There's a tank. The tank has the slowest thing.
I believe I can. I believe. Premium and special.
I want to see my new car.
I'm a hot dog.
Oh, look at my new car.
Look at my new car. Cool. Want to see mine?
Yeah.
It's a hot dog.
Boy, how did you get the hot dog?
Oh, I unlocked it.
No car, my car! Somebody blow up my car!
Oh,
What?
we're doing it. Nicholas, I reached the end.
I haven't.
Nicholas, if you want to reach the end, use a hot dog car. Now I can wreck it.
Oh!
Bap.
Somebody crashed in the car!
No, panic it.
Nicholas, want to have a hot dog car?
Yeah.
So just drive in a straight line with the hot dog car. Why?
Because that's how you win. Wait, don't go yet. No. Nicholas, here.
Oh! A hot dog car crashed into its buddy.
Let's have a hot dog race.
Yeah, hot dog race.
3, 2, 1, go.
I don't see you.
Yeah, but when I pass, you go, okay?
Oh! I blew up!
Then reset your hot dog. Mara, just click play. And then you get the hot dog car.
Hot dog car!
Oh, Nicholas, you have to beat up the cars, like break them completely.
Why?
Because that's how you level up.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we have levels.
Somebody crashed my car!
Somebody crashed my car.
Mama, somebody keep on crashing my hot dog car.
No, that's good. You get XP when they do that. Oh, I want him. I want the freight train. I don't want that.
When I spawned in, my car is somehow broke.
I'm just gonna get my race car out. A monster truck ran over my car, so I'm gonna run it over.
Yeah. My car was full. I crashed. The car was gone. That's good. I can still drive. That's good. I can still drive. Right?
Nicholas, okay, so there's a loop-de-loop. There's like a kind of crusher, and then there's like a just whopping. Yeah, and then there's that.
I know.
I took the crusher path.
Oh.
Nicholas, look at this path. Nicholas, look at mine. So like there's a loop-de-loop, there's that, and then there's this. Hey, Nicholas, I can see that. I think crusher path is like the longest.
I'm gonna use my new car.
What about that invisible car that you made? Oh.
I'm using it.
Oh, wait, you found it? Wait, no, like the invisible red car. What about that one? That you can't find?
I don't remember what
Bop. I'm making
I found a plane. Somebody used the hot dog car to crash into my plane. Look out. Look with my car.
We have a special video that's going to happen like right after Halloween, right, Nick? Right, Nicholas? We have a special video right after Halloween, right, Nicholas? Please watch it.
There's a boat.
Yeah, there's a boat.
I'm using the boat.
Can you?
Somebody wants to race me.
Then race them.
Huh? I can't drive with my boat. I'm trying to move, but I got level 2. And guess what? I got level 2.
I'm at level 4.
And there's a bathtub car. I'm gonna use a toilet car.
Nicholas, I'm going to use the Batman.
Look at me go.
I'm using the cattail car.
Whoa!
Nicholas, look at this cattail car. So cool, right?
Yeah.
It's a tank. It's a tank. Someone's going to hit me with their tank.
I know. I want to customize the hot dog.
Oh, wait, you want to customize the hot dog?
I'm gonna let me customize this one.
Anyways, Nicholas, you want to end the video yet?
No.
Just a little bit more. No, my cattail car. That was a one-time offer. My radio doo-doo.
I made white. So you made red, green, and blue. Like it formally to make white. Oh, look, I made white.
Oh, Nicholas, yes, I know. That's how you get, like, a good invisible. Nicholas, can you just finish spectating so that I can spectate you? Come on, finish.
Flames. Fire.
It's fire. Now are you done? Just save it. That's a material.
On ice.
With glass. You can add glass.
No, ice.
With ice.
Ice.
Are you done?
Yes. Save.
Okay. I have to find the spectate. Guys, just watch.
My brother's spectate.
Yes. Can't find your spectate. Are you in the same lobby? Oh, wait, you're not in the interstate?
I am.
Then I don't mean you're not in the main thing? What are you in? The main thing?
No, I'm in the interstate.
Why did you switch maps?
Actually, I'm in like the one with the free pathways.
No, you're not. Spectator wasn't in there for you. Come on.
I'm in it.
Nicholas, just play mine.
Okay. Oh, Alexander, you need to blow up your car. Guys, my phone died, so I have to take over. Okay, so Guys, just like and subscribe. Just like and subscribe for me. Hey. Yay. I don't know. Let's go. Sorry guys, I got rid of the face cam. Look.
What did you do?
Nothing.
You're not customizing, were you?
I wasn't.
What were you doing? See, I just oofed him.
And you can also wreck your car. Yeah. I'm afraid because I did that.
Nicholas, the bigger car you wreck, the better. Yeah. So like, I'm gonna crash the cattail. I'm gonna crash the cattail car. Cause it's really big, like the hot dog car.
Is it like the hot dog car?
Yeah, it is the hot dog car. I just customized the hot dog car to make it a cattail.
And I'm gonna turn to the other side. Get squishies. Oh, I'm gonna get squished. Oh, I'm gonna. Oh, I'm being yanked. Did I get be whacked by all of them? I'm being whacked a lot.
Boom, boom, boom. So Nicholas, remember you really want Robux, and if you lose teeth, you get money. Shindy, the weatherman come. Oh, you have to be in the car to flip it. My car can drive as long as it has the power of fire. Nicholas, look, my car's driving with no wheels.
I know that. How did I make light blue with stuff green and blue?
Oh, because that's kind of how you actually make it.
Instead of...
So Nicholas,
Does it look like...
Nicholas, Nicholas, are you in the classic? Oh my god. No more editing. Are you in the classic map?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to... No, stop. You're not customizing.
I have a lot to customize.
Stop customizing. Okay, guys, we're going to end the video. It's too long. So, yeah. Goodbye. Bye, Squad. See you later.